From the mountains to the sea, a place where the heart runs free. Feel the love, feel the unity. In this land of sweet harmony, feel the rhythm, let it flow. In the breeze where the palm trees grow, sunshine high, waves so low. Island vibes, let your troubles go. Feel the rhythm, let it flow. In the breeze where the palm trees grow, sunshine high, waves so low. Island vibes, let your troubles go. Dancing under the starry night, music strong, it feels so right. No more stress, no more fight, just good vibes, pure delight. Feel the rhythm, let it flow. In the breeze where the palm trees grow, sunshine high, waves so low. Island vibes, let your troubles go.
It's very comforting.
Oh, look at this one right here.
Oh, that's delicious. Okay. 10 out of 10. Okay, go ahead, Keith. Tell the people where we're going.
Oh yeah, we're going to Jam and Banana.
The Jam and Banana. Hair looks crazy because we got out of the helicopter ride. We're going to get coffee before our beach snorkeling because we need a little boost. We didn't get coffee this morning. We're waiting for our lattes. Looking at the waves. And the foundation I'm wearing is Reef Safe. Tower 28. This is so cute. They got the little wind wheels. Blondie, coconut, white chocolate.
Yeah. This is
The white chocolate magnet. That's pretty good actually.
oh good. See, no bad coffee yet. Oh, birds. Mom in the sun.
you got so distracted recording. He said I had to record these trees because they look colorful. They're beautiful. We're going to Poipo Beach, I believe that's what it's called. Weather is super nice today. It's gorgeous. This is the one we rode, Air Kauai helicopter tours. There we are. And then I noticed the guy he's waving. He's super, super nice. I loved the pilot. Smooth ride. Amazing. I got this new book. Beach read. I thought it was perfect for Hawaii because we're going to the beach. got lemonade
Oh,
and Hawaiian dogs. I think this one is pineapple.
yeah.
Mango is really good too.
I see
10 out of 10. It was pretty
Yeah.
good.
Very nice.
Oh. Refreshing.
Yeah.
Refreshing.
Guys, we're ending the day.
We're back and all showered,
Oh, yeah.
but it was amazing. Today has been my favorite day so far. I got injured. Oh yeah, I gotta
Oh,
show
yeah.
them the update.
Did we tell them that?
Yeah. I got injured on my knees. On my knees. This one. We took care of it. My knees. I scraped my knees a little when we were snorkeling. Snorkeling was so fun.
Oh yeah, guys.
That was
the best.
That was Keith's favorite activity so
Oh,
far.
yeah. I saw 5 different types of fish.
It was so fun. Oh, we were recording,
get sushi.
but we stopped recording because it started raining. Like, it started raining and my camera was dying.
We had to run out.
So we had to, like, literally, we couldn't even record, like, us heading out, I guess.
I had to run to our Tacoma.
Yeah, we had to run to the truck, the Tacoma truck. There was sea turtles, but I felt so bad recording the sea turtles because tell me why.
They're trying to rest and we were just looking at.
Yeah, like where we were, like people were surrounded like that, like a zoo, and then that was like, and then we're just staring at it, and I felt so bad. So I was like, let me get a quick couple of pictures. And like a little video. I want the sea turtles to feel free and comfortable here. So I was like, let me just snap my picture and go on with my life. It was beautiful. They are so beautiful and big. We don't have them because we're from Texas and we're not used to seeing that. The sea turtles were so, like, they were bigger than I thought. So it was very beautiful. Like, you remember how I told you this camera doesn't zoom?
Yeah.
It turns out it does.
Oh my god. I thought
We're just on the TV. We're gonna eat some munchies probably.
Oh yeah.
And Dr. Pepper. My Dr. Pepper. And this leftover little banana treat. I'm gonna just chill here and call it a night. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. This is the end of day 2, and I'll see y'all tomorrow for day 3. And then you gotta do the